Hello Bladers! Sedan owners are now switching midsize SUVs. This is mainly due to the rough roads we have in our country. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Here are 5 midsize SUVs you surely want to get. A midsize SUV is like the best of both worlds. It isn't too low like sedans, but it also isn't too big like full-size SUVs. You wouldn't have to worry about flood or parking it because it's just the right size. But more than these, the midsize SUV shines the most because of the price tag it comes with. It isn't too expensive, so you wouldn't have to worry at all. Moreover, there's a diesel option already. So really, what more can you ask for? Number 1 on our list is the Toyota Fortuner. Let's start off with one of the most trusted brands. The Toyota Fortuner is the king of sales for good reason. Get this midsize SUV for its top-notch performance and great quality. Number 2 is the Nissan Terra. Though this is a new release, we can see that it's quickly becoming a hit in the market. It ticks all the right boxes from the exterior, the performance, and the features. Number 3 on our list is the Mitsubishi Montero Sport. When you live in Metro Manila, chances are you've already seen a Montero Sport on the road. It's one of the most best-selling cars in the Philippines, and for good reason. It doesn't cost a lot and it has excellent performance. Number 4 is Ford Everest. The Everest is truly one of the most good-looking options out there. The great interior and the great exterior really lives up to the Ford name, don't you think? 5th on our list is Chevrolet Trailblazer. The Trailblazer is an underdog. It's very spacious and it's very durable. Trust us when we say that you'll find yourself bringing heavy items with ease when you're driving the Trailblazer. Do you agree with our list of SUVs? Or did we miss some of your favorites? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better.